Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to Pathway to Joy. Switching the track there.
This is our first train here in Golden. It's a BNSF pulling a cut of cars going into the rail yard at the crossing just above the Coors Ford Street building. We're visiting family in Colorado today and decided to take a drive over here to watch the trains. And then we're going to take you for an exciting day at the Railroad Museum. So here's how the day will go. We'll speed this train up a bit. And then right after the train passes, we'll first take you over to show you the RTD. It will be departing Golden after it leaves the government center. And then, as promised, we'll head on over to the museum for a super fun day. We welcome you to stay here with us because there's lots ahead. And we always love having you join us.
Cool old steam engine up ahead. Number 12, West Side Lumber Company. Okay, we're going to send Mike on up the stairs of engine number 74 to ring the bell.
Built in 1898 by Brooks Locomotive Works, the 280 consolidation-type locomotive began its journey as number 30 on the Colorado and Northwestern Railway. The Colorado Railroad Museum has recently acquired an additional 4-plus-acre parcel of land, a move announced in early 2024 as part of their 10-year plan to introduce new facilities, including a library and collections building, enhance the entry experience, and provide more parking.
Got caboose number 49 here. Denver and Rio Grande narrow gauge, built in 1881. A lantern could be placed in compartment on cupola roof to signal the engineer at night. Cool.
In the name of Jesus, we find our grace.
As railroads were built up into the Colorado mountains in the 1870s and 1880s, winter operation became a challenge. Railroads struggled to keep lines open during winters with heavy snowfall and quickly recognized the need for machinery to remove snow from their roadbeds. The largest, most powerful tool was the rotary plow, which looks and works like a giant snowblower. These machines had a steam boiler and cylinders to turn the blades as front, and a tender on the rear to carry the coal and water needed to fuel the boiler. The rotary was not self-propelled, but required locomotives to push it. The big blades on the front chopped at the snow, and the chute directed it to the left or the right, away from the tracks.
You found your home
The man has advised us that they are in the process of doubling the size of this railway museum from, I think it's 15 acres to 30 acres.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Got a lot of history here. The largest steam locomotive at the museum is the Burlington Route number 5629, which you can see right here in the background. That thing has huge wheels on it.
While this would be dwarfed compared to the Union Pacific's Big Boy, it was certainly a workhorse of its time. Now, the last time we were here, the Galloping Goose was parked out front and we could not get up close to it, but today it is over here by the roundhouse. Let's take a peek inside.
The Galloping Goose refers to a series of 7 unique hybrid railcars created by the Rio Grande Southern Railroad in the early 1930s. These quirky vehicles earned their nickname due to their distinctive waddling motion along the tracks. The railroad innovatively constructed lightweight railcars using automobile bodies, enabling them to transport mail, passengers, and light freight while significantly reducing operational expenses. These charming railcars served the region from 1931 until 1952, linking communities such as Dolores, Telluride, and Ridgeway amidst the rugged mountain landscape.
Are you loading up for tonight?
No, just cleaning up and picking up.
Okay. Here comes Dusty with the propane tank. How heavy is that?
I don't know. Heavy.
The Colorado Railroad Museum, located in Golden, Colorado, is a non-profit organization committed to preserving the rich history of the state's railroads, with a particular focus on its renowned narrow-gauge mountain lines.
Calling Little America, St. Louis, calling Little America, KFC, calling Little America, KFC, St. Louis. There's the train again.
The Denver HO Model Railroad Club has constructed and continues to maintain an expansive HO layout in the depot's basement. According to the museum's description, this impressive layout has been in existence for over 55 years and is kept in a state of continuous upkeep, rather than being dismantled and rebuilt periodically.
For your donation to the Colorado Railroad Museum and the Denver HO Model Railroad Club. The train will run for about 3 minutes.
We had a great time here today. It's a great place. You should visit sometime.